Welcome to Souk Al Sib, Dubai. Konnichiwa minasan, Raisen des, Daijoubu desu ka? Hello po sa inyo lahat, si Raisen po ito, kamusta po kayo? Magandang gabi po, halina po kayo, samahan niyo po kami maglakad dito sa Souk Al Sib, Dubai. Ang Souk Al Sib, Dubai ay matatagpuan malapit po sa Bujuman Metro Station, Red Line, at Sarat Ichi Station, Green Line. Walking distance lang po siya mula sa metro station. Souk Al Sib is a vibrant waterfront destination located on the shores of historic Dubai Creek, blending traditional Emirati heritage with modern dining, shopping, and cultural experience. It's offer a picturesque old Dubai atmosphere, complete with traditional architecture and winding alleyways.
No, he was playing with us.
Yan si Kuya Daru. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang selfie. Itadakimasu. Thank you for watching minasan. Domo arigatou gozaimashita.